price only good for another hour and 4 minutes. At the end of our show is when the primetime sizzle is OVER.
First time.
You want to what is the search term, Steve-O? Primetime sizzle. You can find other selected Temptations items on Primetime Sizzle prices.
Love. Great.
But only for the duration of our show.
Love.
Now, this is Tara Tesher, the CEO, the chief designer, and the president of the company. This is your 2-quart serving bowl with upswept handles.
I got to tell you, this is fantastic. What I love about this is the capacity. Because it has that graduated design right down to the bottom, it's not going to take up a ton of space, yet you can have a lot of capacity with that 2-quart bowl. The helper handles here on the side gives you that great silhouette and that easy ability to come in and out of stovetop ovens and countertop ovens and microwaves. This is just such a great basic entry piece for anybody to add to their collection.
Well, this is extraordinary. We have some brand new seasonals.
Yes,
You're holding
we do.
one of the brand new, the Paulfetti.
Yes.
We also have some others. Now, this was on earlier today. Brian, do we have a quantity order for the day? Over 1,000 were ordered.
That
and
was
another
just a
200 already at this show.
You better get to it.
All right. Now, where are our
Right
colors?
behind us.
Behind us. All right. From the snake, it would have bit me department. All right. So this is our confetti up in the far corner. Has all the colors of the world.
And they're hand painted inside and outside as well.
There's the
Thanks
inside.
for giving a little tip. Thank you. I can't even reach that, so I won't even try.
There you can see the inside. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
All right, now from confetti we go to blue, another one of our very popular old world colors. 300 remain there. This is taupe. The original first color ever in any pattern of Temptations was green.
You're right.
200 left. This is gray. And this is red doodle.
How sweet is that? I love the way the doodle looks.
Remember,
Doodle-doo.
the doodles, a rooster in your kitchen is a symbol of good luck.
You're right.
And only 500 remain to go around there. Now, in floral lace, this is floral lace taupe, floral lace black, floral lace cranberry.
Which we don't do often.
Here's your floral lace in gray. Here's the red. And finally, the blue. Most popular is the blue. Now, in woodland, like cut wood.
Right.
And it's...
Yep. I'll do it with my nails.
Thank you.
Sculptural.
You got more nails than I do. Buttercream, 300 left in the buttercream. This is gray. 250. Taupe, 150. This is slate blue, 400. But most popular is white. I have fewer than 700.
Wow.
And they're flying.
I'm not surprised.
If you want white, don't wait on the white because the white's going to be gone. G-O-N-E, gone. Now, in seasonals, brand new is poinsettia.
With the cardinal right there that I do in honor of my dad.
150 left in poinsettia.
Wow.
This is Classic Harvest.
Yes.
And we've sold out of almost everything in Classic Harvest.
Everything we've had.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right.
How many left in Classic Harvest? 200. Boo, Fetty. Here's Buffetti.
Bats and cobwebs and all that fun stuff.
Purple bats. All right,
Exactly.
and then finally Winter Whimsy.
All the characters.
I have 4 dozen left in
my
Winter Whimsy.
gosh.
And Winter Whimsy is brand new.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And so is our Paulfetti today.
And so is Paul Fetty.
Which
And
is
Paul
right up
Fetty
here.
is up here. Already 800 ordered in this show.
I'm going to run over to the oven
Many
real
of
quick.
you are wondering, can I bake in this? Yes, up to 500 degrees. Can I go in the... Oh, Paul Fetty just sold out.
Oh.
Paul Fetty is gone.
Very
Thank you, Travis.
smart. It's going to match perfectly back with your today's special value. So if you were shopping that with us last month, these are those great basic pieces. You know, David and I always say, as soon as we say the word bowl, you guys are on it because we love the fact that our bowls are bakers as well.
And Tara makes a mean turkey chili.
Yes, I do.
Yes, she does.
I don't brag often, but I will brag on my I will toot my own horn. Toot, toot.
Toot, toot. And this is a cornbread bowl.
Yes, which we baked right there inside the bowl. So remember, Temptations is oven safe up
These
to
are the
500
wok
degrees.
bowls, aren't they?
Yeah, these are the wok bowls. Yeah, oven
Do
safe.
you know that I walked in my mom's house? I'm going to see her this weekend. I'm going home
yes.
from my 40th high school reunion.
I'm excited for you, by the by.
And I'm going to be posting lots of pictures, so don't,
Yes, please.
it's going to be wild.
Yes.
Can I tell you that the last time I walked into my mom's kitchen, I opened the cabinet to get a glass to drink,
Yes.
and she had wok bowls in her cabinet.
My wok bowl?
Your wok bowl. And I said, Mom, why didn't you let me order these
Sarah.
for you? And she was like, I didn't want to bother you.
Oh.
And so she
like
said,
my
so I
mom.
just ordered them because I was afraid they're going to sell out. And so Mom has a set of your wok bowls at
I
home.
love. Oh, thank you.
See there?
Thank you, thank you. But here's what I love also. Take that bowl and now it turns into like a little beverage holder. So you can have a couple of beverages in here. It turns into your ice bucket. I love it for even takeout. You don't have to be cooking in every single piece. Look at this, David. You stop to get some fried chicken.
Go to the prepared food section of your market.
Yes.
There is no shame in your game if you buy prepared chicken from the market. It is so good.
It's so good. It's already done for you.
Yeah, I might have occasionally sat in my car and eaten it right out of the package.
Are we having true confessions here?
Well, you know, it wouldn't be
the first time.
It wouldn't be a stretch for me to say that. All right, haven't done it in a long time, but I've done it. All right.
Want to start with seasonal this time?
We have sold out of Winter Whimsy.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love
Winter
it.
Whimsy is
Oh,
gone.
the gang is here.
All right, Travis is going to grab that from you, T.
I was just gonna put it right
Okay,
here because
fine.
I didn't want. Okay.
All right, so let's start with the seasonals because they're limited. This is poinsettia. Final 100 left in poinsettia. This is Classic Harvest. I have fewer than 100.
So pretty.
And I have Buffetti. 400 in the Buffetti.
So cute.
All right, now up here in Floral Lace, this is taupe. Oh, yeah, taupe. We're 4 dozen, last call.
Wow.
Here's black. Final 100. This is cranberry in Floral Lace. 200. Look how it's reverse
Isn't that
pattern on the
beautiful?
inside. Isn't that pretty? And cranberry is something that you don't do a lot of anymore.
We do not.
Now, we also have gray. 200 red. About 400 and blue. 300 there. Now in woodland, I have taupe. 150. This is slate blue. 300 gray. 250 buttercream. 300 and in the white. Start with 900. Or 500 left.
Wow.
Flying. Oh, and up top is Old World. This
The
OG.
Confetti?
Confetti. Then I have blue. Then taupe. The original color of green. Here's gray.
And doodle-doo.
And finally, red doodle. Here's red doodle. It's good luck to have a rooster in your
It
kitchen.
absolutely is. And so's a 2-quart bowl.
You know what else I'm told, completely
What?
unrelated?
Yes.
That this grapefruit beer is the bomb diggity.
Oh my gosh, same thing.
So good.
I might have to take one home with me.
There you go.
And I'll drink it when I get home. I promise.
Lucky. All right, so, hey, we're going to check in with Steve-O because he's got some words about .com.
Oh.
And I'll see you again soon, my
yes,
friend.
on Sunday. Oh, no,
I won't be here.
See you
We'd
Sunday.
love
I'll
my
see you the
favorite
following
beer. It's
Wednesday.
fantastic.
All right.
Something
All right,
else
have a
that's
safe trip.
fantastic is the online special deals we have on QVC.com right now. 'Tis the season for all of your holiday favorites like Deer Foam Slippers, Le Creuset Fry Pan Set, and a PS5 gaming console. All you need to do is search online special deals on QVC.com and our mobile app to shop all these amazing exclusive offers. Now, David, what you got cutting over there?
All right, it's time for a one-time only value. Now, when the show is over, the deal is done, and the show will be over in 57 minutes. That's when this deal will also be done.